The TrackMaster Select Whipstock system running assembly includes a bypass valve and a running tool to ensure that circulation is controlled during the orientation and hydraulic setting process. A transition joint is also included for flexibility during milling. The modular one-trip milling system provides bi-mill, tri-mill, and quad-mill configuration options to address a wide range of conventional, advanced, and specialized sidetrack applications. Mills include both high-quality tungsten carbide and PDC cutting structures. At the desired setting depth, the TrackMaster Select Whipstock is oriented to the required direction using MWD or gyro equipment. Once orientation is complete, the bypass valve is closed, allowing hydraulic activation and setting of the whipstock anchor. The hydraulic expandable anchor provides a large expansion range covering multiple casing sizes and internal diameters. Applying hydraulic pressure to the anchor extends the triaxial slips outward. Once the slips engage the casing ID, carbide inserts prevent axial and torsional movement, thus mechanically securing the whipstock in place. With the one-trip TrackMaster Select system, the milling assembly is attached to the whipstock with a shear bolt mechanism. When milling begins, the quick cutout ramp located at the top of the whipstock helps initiate an efficient milling process. Overpull and slack off is then applied, assuring the anchor is set in the casing. The retention mechanism is then sheared, allowing the release of the hydraulic control line and the milling assembly. The milling assembly is picked up to verify the mills have disconnected from the whipstock. The milling assembly is lowered slowly and rotation commences. The full gauge lead mill and follow mill initiate a two-window cutout profile. The unique milling geometry also ensures that the follow mill elongates the full gauge window length. As the lead mill approaches the special mid-ramp profile, it accelerates quickly past its center point on the casing wall. This prevents damage to the mill and ensures continued milling efficiency. The milling assembly transitions from the casing and begins drilling formation. As the milling assembly fully exits the casing, the full width window extends across the length of the whipstock. After the completion of the window milling process, the assembly is picked up, assuring there is no abnormal drag. The remaining rat hole can be drilled to the desired depth. The TrackMaster Select, a history of innovation, unrivaled experience, global presence.